And then on the other side, let's get their little gingerbread boy going. So, this is just chocolate fondant mixed with white fondant, so I lightened it up for this brown color. Just roll it out, cut out your shape with the same cookie cutter that you made your cookie with. Put that up, a little water on the back, place that down. And to give him a little bit of decoration here, and let's see my red. It's dried up a little bit. Whoops! Don't you hate it when that happens? Ugh. All right, I'm gonna have to get another bag, obviously, so it'll be right back. Okay, we're back, new bag. Alrighty, just some little eyes. Do a little mouth, some little buttons, and voila. Okay, so I'm just gonna lean this up right in here. So I need a little oil here, maybe a little bit at the base. And see if I can lean this on here without messing up what I've just piped. Okay, and then you can take a brush and just wipe off that excess royal icing. Okay, and then I just want to do some writing on the stockings. I'm just going to write ho 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 in white. And there we go, voila! Our Christmas fireplace cookie.